Hey everyone! Today we're going to be making our Luna hanger. The supplies you will need is 14 6-foot pieces of white string. All of the string we use is 4mm single twist in this video, and it's available on our website. We also need 3 4-foot pieces of colored string, and you're going to need a dowel. The dowel is 12 inches and it's size 5/8. Those are also available on our website. And you need some scissors. Please don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions about the supplies we used today. First, you're going to start by adding one of the white pieces of string in the middle of the dowel using a lark's head knot. So to do the lark's head knot, it's pretty simple. You just pull the strings through the top. Now add another string using the lark's head knot and squish them both together. Now you're going to do a double half hitch knot. So you take the cord to the left, and that's going to be your leading cord, and you do the knot on that cord. So you pull the cord under and over and tighten it. And then you do the opposite. You pull the cord over your leading cord and through the loop and tighten it again. Under, over, and through. Tighten, over, under, and through. And tighten. Repeat this step with the remaining string. Now what you want to do to secure the string to the dowel, you take the string, pull it in front of the dowel, and then pull it behind and tuck it in through that little loop there. So you want to pull it through just like that, and then the string is going to go under the dowel, and you're going to pull it through that loop once again. And then you've faked a lark head's knot. So now you're going to add another piece of string using a lark's head knot. And as you can see here, I only do a single half hitch instead of a double half hitch, and that's the secret to getting everything nice and even. You have to use your discretion where you should do a single half hitch instead of a double half hitch. Now add a piece of string to the opposite side. This helps keep the circle in the middle, and also as the semicircle grows, you want to add your string with the leading strand being longer than the other side. Here is a good example of where you would need to add some more string to the semicircle. This is going to be too far reaching if I try to do a double half hitch, but I'm going to add a piece of string using a reverse lark's head knot in order to fix that. Make sure it's really tight and then continue using double half hitch knots as usual. When you're on your 4th row, you're going to add your colored string using a reverse lark's head knot just like you did before. Here I'm going to add another piece of string using the reverse lark's head. This time around I'm using one of the colored strings to make a double half hitch, and then the next colored string is only going to be a single half hitch, so I have 3 pieces of colored string on this notch. And this time I'm going to do a double half hitch with both pieces of colored string. Now we're going to add in another piece of colored string using reverse lark's head. And then do a single half hitch afterwards, so you have 5 pieces of colored string on this notch. Always remember to use your discretion. If the gap is too big, add some string using a reverse lark's head. This may mean that you end up using more than the 14 pieces of string called for. Continue these steps until you have 6 rows of colored string and you have 10 white strings on the dowel. And after, you should have something that looks like this. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial today. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this.